This is the Salter Lab bubble humidifier. Allows you to run between 6 and 15 liters per minute on a nasal cannula. So we're using this as a bridge piece between greater than 6 liters per minute and having to go to a high flow device. So just a couple of tech notes. Source gas, it will tell you here, 6 to 15 liters per minute. This obviously goes to the patient. This is a pop-off valve. When you first hook this up to your flow meter, you're going to need to run it at 6 liters and check that pop-off valve to make sure it's working okay. Cannula connects here. And notice that it's a little bit bigger than your standard cannula. And it's a different color too. So regular cannulas can't work on this device. You have to use this cannula. And also note that you may have to do some education that a standard cannula without this setup cannot run at 15 liters. Maximum fill line is right here. It can hold about 290 mils of distilled or sterile water in the chamber. That's pretty much the technology behind this. Hope it serves you well. Thanks for watching.